Today we're going to talk about online teaching and does it actually work for theatre training. Obviously here at Chiron Theatre we 100% believe in online teaching. That is why we've created our online audition preparation courses. 4 courses that are purely focused on your drama school audition needs. So if you're thinking about applying to drama school, stay tuned to the end of this video and we'll let you know how you can get some amazing pre-sale discounts on all of our online courses. Today we're going to chat to a man who's had to completely adapt to online teaching. The coronavirus has made him change his entire business and move the whole thing online.
Hi, my name is Mike Denman and I run Denman Theatre. Since starting Denman Theatre 3 years ago, I've done over 1,000 workshops. I now have 6 musical theatre associate programs located all over the UK and we currently have 300 students. So online teaching at first, I was asked to do this corporate thing. So it was kind of a motivational sort of workshop. So they wanted to sing and dance and stuff like that. So we went in there not really knowing what kind of to expect, but we had a great time. It went down really well. But then it was kind of like, right, I need to look into this a little bit more seriously because, I don't know how long we're going to be here was kind of running through my head. So then when we realized this was going on longer, we thought, right, upgrade our tech. So firstly, we sort of had a look at the sort of lighting situation. We bought some lights. So we've got some studio lights. The next thing we realized is we need to sort out the sound. So I invested in a microphone. And also figuring out, looking into how Zoom works. So we had to kind of go into all the settings, disable the background noise and stuff like that so that it would pick up my voice and the music. As I'd set that up, that kind of was working better. Then I was kind of also my camera's not very good. So then I invested in a webcam as well, so that then we had the full package. We're very lucky, we've got Apple TV as well, so on my big screen TV, so I don't have to keep putting my face right up into the camera. I could literally sort of just look at the TV and the thumbnails are much bigger so that I can see if I'm in shot, if they can see my hands, see my feet, and also I can keep an eye on the students. How many workshops have I done? I did 72 workshops in May, and I think I've done about another 80 workshops since then. Yeah, from not hearing of Zoom ever before lockdown, I now spend quite a lot of my time on Zoom. Just being able to do so many in a day. One day I was in Perth, I was in Southampton, I can't remember exactly, but I was somewhere in Northern Ireland, and then I was in West Yorkshire, which that would never be able to happen. And the lovely thing is, how Denman Theatre actually started was me going around to all these dance schools to do all these workshops. I'm now doing the same thing, right here from my living room. My negatives are, it's only 2 things really, and it's space and internet connection. Internet connection is hard when you're trying to, and you can see they're struggling, they keep freezing, they keep dropping out and coming back online, and that sort of slightly disrupts the class a little bit. And the second thing is space. Because I always do, at the very start of every single workshop, I say, please have a look around your dance space, check that there's nothing that can get under your feet, make sure if you've got any pets that they can't run in and get under your feet as well, obviously to not only damage the student, but obviously the animal as well. If you've got any light fixtures, anything like that can't be hit, if you've got anything that can be pushed to the side. So I try and state that very clearly, but obviously, yeah, not everyone listens, so then I have to also, in the corner of my eye, being oh, I can see there's a dog walking in there, or something like that, but yeah. You have a chemistry when sometimes you go and teach somewhere and you're you can just feel, as soon as you have a lovely rapport with the students, the class goes great, you feel that when you're doing a physical workshop in person, and I didn't think that would transfer over to online, but it does. There's some schools that have now booked me every other week since the start of lockdown, and I feel like I've really got to, I've never met them, but I've got to know the students, and I can see them progressing, and I've genuinely been shocked how well this has gone down, and we've had lovely feedback. I try and do it in a way that sort of you know, I give so much energy to try and encourage them from start to finish. I try and get bits where I'll sit quite close to the camera so then I can sort of do any sort of gestures or if there's any arm movements or anything that's quite intricate, or if there's any facial expressions or bits like that. And then I'll get back, and each time I'm doing that, I'm telling the kids to come and join me. Beginning, everyone was like, the joy of the mute button. Being able to quieten a class is, you know, it sounds amazing, but then as time's gone on, you kind of miss that noise. I genuinely have enjoyed it, but I've loved it, and it's definitely something that I will continue to do. We are running an online summer intensive. We've got teachers from Lion King, Hamilton, and all the way from the Broadway Dance Centre. If you are interested, we still have spaces, so please get in touch.
As I mentioned at the start of this video, we are so excited to launch our online audition preparation courses. So if you're thinking about applying to drama school, these courses are perfect for you. They have everything you need for a successful drama school audition all in one place. If you want to find out more, head to our website and register at chironauditionprep.com. We'll send you an email with all the information plus access to some amazing pre-sale discounts. As always, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button. If you've got any questions about your upcoming drama school auditions, send them our way because we would love to help.